Imagine transforming your backyard into a thriving organic vegetable garden, where every seed you plant grows into something beautiful. Hi, I'm Alex Greenfield, your guide to mastering the basics of organic gardening, where every beginner's step leads to a thriving garden. In an effort to make it easier for you to launch your garden and experience success as fast as possible, in this video, we will be providing you with links to all the best tools, resources, and necessary supplies needed to successfully launch your garden. For indoor gardening, many beginner gardeners are having tremendous success with the AeroGarden Harvest Indoor Garden. It's perfect for viewers who might be inspired to start small and then expand into outdoor gardening. If you have outdoor space and want to transition from container gardening or want to start directly in your backyard, then the Vivo Sun Raised Garden Bed Kit is the perfect outdoor equivalent for beginners who are looking to start gardening in a more traditional outdoor setting. To potentially speed up your success rate, we've included links to those products in the description below. Organic vegetable gardening is more than just a trend, it's a lifestyle choice. By growing your own vegetables, you're ensuring that your food is free from harmful chemicals, and you're creating a space that's not only healthy, but also beautiful. But it's more than that. Gardening isn't just about growing food, it's about nurturing life, reducing stress, and creating a space of peace and beauty. Plus, you're reducing your carbon footprint and saving money on groceries, both of which are great for you and the planet. Organic gardening also improves soil health and biodiversity. By avoiding synthetic chemicals, you're fostering a balanced and thriving ecosystem right in your backyard. There's nothing like the satisfaction of harvesting your own produce. To maintain this healthy ecosystem, I highly recommend Dr. Earth Organic Fertilizer, crafted to provide a consistent flow of vital nutrients to your plants, while naturally boosting soil fertility and promoting microbial activity. It's also highly regarded in the organic gardening community. To make it easy for you, we've included links in the description below. Let's further explore how you can get started on this rewarding journey. Starting your organic garden doesn't require a huge investment. Here are the basic tools you'll need to get started. You can find all these tools in the Fiskars 3-piece Soft Touch Garden Tool Set, perfect for beginners. It includes everything you need to start strong. You'll also need a watering can, a small hand trowel, and a rake for preparing your soil. For your convenience, links to these products are provided in the description below. There you have it, all the tools you need to get started quickly and efficiently. Along with your tools, make sure to have quality organic compost, seeds, and plant labels. For the best results, I strongly recommend Black Gold Organic Compost. It's rich in nutrients and perfect for giving your plants the best start. Again, all links are included below. These essentials will set you up for success. What's your go-to gardening tool? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your tips. With the right tools, you're ready to start. Let's move on to choosing the best vegetables to grow in your new organic garden. Choosing the right vegetables is crucial. Let's start with easy-to-grow options that are perfect for beginners. Tomatoes, lettuce, and carrots are perfect for beginners. These crops are resilient, require minimal care, and produce a generous harvest. For an even easier growing experience, I recommend using Miracle Grow Performance Organics All-Purpose Plant Food. It's specially formulated for vegetables and will help you achieve a bountiful harvest. See link in description below. It's also extremely important to consider your local climate. Some vegetables thrive in cooler temperatures, while others need plenty of heat and sunshine. If space is limited, consider growing compact varieties or using vertical gardening techniques. Many vegetables, like beans and peas, can be trained to grow upward, saving valuable ground space. Your garden should reflect what you love to eat. Choose vegetables that you and your family enjoy, and you'll be more motivated to care for your garden. With the right choices, you'll have a bountiful harvest that you'll love to cook with and share. Let's get started on preparing your soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Let's start by assessing your soil's current condition. Start by testing your soil to see what nutrients it might be lacking. For a reliable soil test, I strongly recommend Luster Leaf Rapid Soil Tester. It's easy to use and provides accurate results, so you know exactly what your soil needs. Find it in the description below. Once you know what your soil needs, you can add compost, organic fertilizers, or other amendments to boost its fertility. Adding organic matter like compost improves soil structure, increases moisture retention, and provides a steady supply of nutrients to your plants. Proper soil preparation is key to a successful garden. Don't rush this step. It's the foundation for healthy, productive plants. With your soil ready, you've laid the foundation for a thriving garden. Next, we'll plant your first seeds and watch them grow into a bountiful harvest. Now that your soil is ready, it's time to plant your seeds or seedlings. Let's start with seeds. For each type of plant, make sure to follow the instructions on spacing and depth. These details are crucial for healthy growth. Once your seeds are in the ground, water them thoroughly. The soil should be evenly moist, but not waterlogged. Overwatering can cause seeds to rot. To avoid overwatering, consider using Soncare Soil pH Meter. MS02 3-in-1 Soil Moisture Light pH Tester Moisture Meter. It's a great tool to help you monitor soil moisture and ensure your plants get just the right amount of water. Find it linked below. Keep an eye on your seeds as they begin to sprout. The first few weeks are critical for establishing healthy, resilient plants. Consistency is key. Check your soil's moisture daily, especially in hot weather, and be ready to protect your young plants from pests and harsh conditions. Watering is crucial, but it's important not to overdo it. Let's talk about the best way to water your garden. Deep, infrequent watering encourages roots to grow strong and deep. Shallow, frequent watering can lead to weak, surface-level roots. To ensure your garden is properly hydrated, I recommend Raindrip Automatic Watering Kit Irrigation System. Raindrip products are well known in the gardening community, and their automatic watering kits are a high-demand product. Plus, it's an efficient way to keep your garden watered without the risk of overwatering. See link in description below. Mulching around your plants helps retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weeds. It's a simple step that makes a big difference. Regular maintenance like weeding and checking for pests keeps your garden healthy and productive. Stay vigilant and your plants will thrive. With proper care, your garden will flourish, providing you with fresh, organic vegetables all season long. Let's move on to the most rewarding part, harvesting your crops. There's nothing quite like the joy of harvesting your own vegetables. Let's talk about when and how to pick your crops for the best flavor and nutrition. Knowing when to harvest is crucial. For example, tomatoes should be picked when they're fully red but still firm, while leafy greens are best harvested before they reach full size for a tender taste. For a perfect harvest every time, I recommend using the reputable Fiskars Steel Bypass Pruning Shears. They're sharp, precise, and ideal for harvesting a wide variety of vegetables. Find link in the description below. After harvesting, you can enjoy your produce fresh, preserve it for later, or share it with family and friends. Each vegetable has its own best practices for storage and preservation. And for a perfect harvest every time, I recommend using Simple Ecology Organic Cotton Reusable Produce Bags. They're sharp, precise, and ideal for harvesting a wide variety of vegetables. All links are listed in the description below. Congratulations! You've successfully grown your first organic vegetable garden. Remember, gardening is a journey, and each season brings new opportunities to learn and grow. Starting an organic vegetable garden is a rewarding experience. For more tips and tricks, and to keep your garden thriving, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. As you continue to grow, you should consider investing in The Garden Journal, Planner and Logbook by Joy Kiefer. To not only track your progress, but most importantly, plan for future seasons. It's a great tool for any dedicated gardener. Find it linked in the description below. We'd love to hear about your gardening journey. Which of these tips helped you the most? Share your experience in the comments below, and feel free to attach a picture of your garden. We can't wait to see what you've grown. And remember, in every garden, growth begins with a single step. Happy gardening.